Morning, I am Max, one of the owners of Jamaican Delight Cuisine, one of the finest Jamaican restaurants in Edmonton. Come in, man. Jamaican Delight restaurant is a family-owned restaurant owned by me and my wife, and the kids are always here helping out as well. So yeah, come around and look at. This is a fine dining space that we have. It's good for family, good for dates, good for any occasion. Jamaican Delight is the place to take out your family, to take out your spouse, to take out whatever birthdays, anniversaries. This is a spot. So we have tables. If you're a person who loves tables, we got tables. Also we got booths. So there's more than one option for you here. It's a nice location for everyone in Edmonton and around Edmonton to come and check this out. So once you come into a restaurant and you make your order, you take a seat, you can do dining, you can do takeout. We have all kinds of payment, debit, MasterCard, credit card, whatever Visa, it's here. We do it here. We receive all payments here. So right now we're going to check out the art of the operations center, kitchen. Yeah, so head chef and my wife, Annette, she has steered boat to this, so come look and see what she has cooked. Right up on the bill we have jerk chicken, fresh and ready, early, and jerk chicken ready. We have curry goat over here, so. Yeah, and then see that rice and beans. Just start right now is a pot of chicken soup, Sunday day, chicken soup, every Sunday, chicken soup. We have all type of pastries. Right now we have Jamaican beef patty. This is real Jamaican potato pudding. Now we are going to check out Trenchtown Rock Lounge. Come in. This space can be used for events, private function, parties, birthdays, whatever gathering you think of, you can use this space for that event. So inside of this space, we have a private room. Can host for 8 people, can use this, you have own music, own entertainment, everything inside of this room for your comfort once you use this space. Screen, we have a projector screen here. This is for karaoke on Friday nights, karaoke, games, dominoes, loaded draft, all the Jamaican games you can think of, Friday night right here. So this is the domino section. Right here is domino area, and we have a loading and a draft board as well. So now check out the bar. We have everything Jamaican right here. We have all of the things where Jamaican. We got Magnum, we got all of the roots, we got Boom Energy drink, everything from Jamaica. We have it right here, Trenchtown Rock Lounge. So do remember the address for Trenchtown Rock Lounge is 10043 151 Street, Edmonton, Alberta. We know a lot of Jamaican love loading. So Friday night time is game night. Come check it out. So this is a pool area, pool room. All of the ones and all of the man who love play pool, we have it here, so any day of the week, anytime. Free pool, just come and support, and everything alright.
So this right here is the Aki and Sausage Patty, or their special drink. You can get it with alcohol or without. I don't drink, so you know what I mean? Feels good still. I can't even lie. This is actually good. So right here we got the classic curry goat, rice and peas, plantain. And this is what, steamed veggies? Jeez. Right here is 10 out of 10. Yo, hands down, food is fire still. You see that plate? This is my ultimate cheat day because I'm back to diet Monday. Alright. So right now we got the oxtail, rice and peas, plantain, steamed veggies. Let's go try it out. This falls off the bone. Yo, 10 out of 10. Definitely 10 out of 10. Food is good, yo. Yeah, that was good. I'm kind of relaxed. Don't judge me. I'm greedy, so this one we got rice and peas, we got jerk chicken, and we got a sweet coleslaw with plantain. Let's try it. Yo, honestly, I hope YouTube doesn't like copyright me with this music in the background, but I already showed you guys the video of it. Alright, let's try this. So I didn't get no sauce with it, but I think because it's very moist. Still, look at this. You see? Look at that. Jeez. I forgot to ask for jerk sauce. Hold on, let me come back.